Looking to upgrade your closet? Let's walk through the assembly and installation of our versatile closet carousel. Our closet carousels come in a clean, white finish, but can be custom painted to match any decor. Each part is clearly labeled with numbers and letters, making assembly a breeze. Just follow the step-by-step instructions. Simply connect the parts as instructed, and before you know it, your closet carousel will be ready to go. Our durable construction ensures it will stand the test of time, and the rotation speed can be adjusted to your preference. Whether you need a single, double, or triple-tiered carousel, we've got you covered. Our carousels can be mounted to the ceiling, walls, or even installed on the floor without any additional fasteners. And remember, if you ever need to move, disassembling and relocating your carousel is as simple as putting it together. Each carousel is custom-made to fit your unique space. Just send us your room layout with dimensions and we'll take care of the rest. Ready to transform your closet? Click the link in the description to learn more and contact us for a personalized quote today.